Hello everyone, I'm Jojo from Perks team, and today's video I'm going to show you how to customize your campaign model so it fits perfectly your brand identity. First of all, what you should know is that there are two types of campaigns. First one is a discount campaign. A good example is this one from Leisure Project, where you connect your wallet and then you retrieve your discount. And the other one is a campaign to access a product, where you connect your wallet and then you can have access to the product and buy it. So to customize your campaigns, what you do is you go to Perks app, and this is the landing page that you get, and there are two ways that you can do it. Either you go here to settings, and this one is highly recommended since you can edit the default values for all of your campaigns. So you put your header text, description, and brand color. And the other option is editing your modal when creating a campaign, where you go to add campaign and then you go down below, and here you configure your pop-up where you can insert the URL, the header, description, background tone color, and the rejection message. So let's edit one campaign here so you'll learn with me as I go. And if you have any questions, send us a message either in the comments or to builders@getperks.com. So you go down below, and here's a place that we'll configure the pop-up. First of all, we create a customized modal for PsychoBunny, one of our clients. First, enter campaign image URL. This one is our default asset. Let's add a customized one. So this is the one. And now for header, the text on top, let's add this text, which is a pretty basic one. Exclusive product for Bunnyverse NFT holders. You can put exclusive product for your NFT holders. And in the description, we will add, you must connect a Bunnyverse NFT to access this product. Now, going to the background color and button color, you can enter RGB values or hex values, but what we also recommend is going here and selecting the color that you want. So we're choosing this one, for example, according to their brand. And for the button color, I'm choosing this color right here, and to match the pink or purple with the black. And finally, the last thing is a rejection message, and this is made for the people that connect their wallet and they are not whitelisted to receive that utility. So you can direct them to buy the required NFT to receive the utility, or also include your email address so they can contact you for customer support. So let's write, you must own a Bunnyverse to be eligible, buy it on OpenSea. So finally, let's see how everything will be in the end after customizing as we did. So I'll save, and a new campaign was added, and now just go to the product that you added. Just go to the product and you see the customized modal. This is our test store. Let's go to the product that I added the campaign, and there you see the modal that we created together. A different background color, exclusive product for Bunnyverse NFT holders. You must connect a Bunnyverse NFT to access this product. And let's try the rejection message. I will connect one wallet that did not hold the proper NFT. This one, connect, and there you go. You must own a Bunnyverse to be eligible, buy it on OpenSea. The store is functional and matches their brand identity. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, as I said, feel free to leave a message in the comments or send it directly to our team at builders@getperks.com.